In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files in OneDrive for Business using the Files on Demand feature. Whether you're looking to save space on your device or ensure that all your files are accessible offline, this guide will help you navigate OneDrive's efficient file management system with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. It usually looks like a little cloud icon, often found near the system clock or the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a small window showing your recent file activities and a few options. Next, find the gear icon to access the settings. This icon represents the settings section, and clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From this menu, go ahead and click on Settings to bring up a new window comprised of various tabs. In this new window, you'll want to navigate to the Sync and Backup tab. This tab is crucial as it contains all the settings related to how your files sync between your local machine and the cloud. Once you're in this tab, look for the section labelled Advanced Settings. Click on it to expand this section. You'll now see more detailed options for managing your files between your device and the cloud. Within Advanced Settings, you'll see an option called Files on Demand. This powerful feature allows you to control whether files are stored online, offline, or both, thus helping you efficiently manage storage space on your computer. Here you have two central options. If you're looking to save space on your device, you might consider selecting Free Up Disk Space. By doing this, your files will become online only. This means they remain accessible as long as you have an internet connection, but they won't occupy physical storage on your device. On the other hand, if you prefer to have access to all your files regardless of your internet status, choose Download All Files. This will store the files locally on your device, ensuring they're always accessible even when you're not connected to the internet. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the icons related to Files on Demand, as they give you visual cues about a file's storage status. An online-only file will show an icon signifying it's in the cloud, and it won't take up space on your computer. Locally available files, those you can access offline, display a different icon. Lastly, files marked as always available are saved onto your device and accessible both online and offline. By understanding these options and knowing what each icon represents, you can tailor your OneDrive settings to fit your working style, ensuring efficiency and convenience in managing your files. That wraps up our quick tutorial on syncing files in OneDrive for Business using Files on Demand. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.